Learn the secrets of earning $50 per hour through online typing jobs in 2023. If you're looking to boost your income online, this video is a must-watch. Discover how to turn your typing skills into a profitable venture. Join us in this journey towards financial success. Start making money online today.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
Let's embark on our journey to explore these online earning opportunities, beginning with Mod Squad, where content moderation takes center stage. Content moderation is a crucial role in the online world, responsible for ensuring that the content posted on various platforms is suitable for all users. As a content moderator, your principal duty revolves around identifying and flagging offensive or inappropriate comments made by others, with the aim of having them promptly removed. Your role may also involve the critical task of verifying the accuracy of user-posted data and meticulously eliminating spam. This multifaceted responsibility can encompass reading through chat logs, carefully managing posts on forums, or attending to platforms like Discord, all while undertaking related tasks to maintain a safe and welcoming online environment. To become an integral part of the Mod Squad team, you can easily initiate the process by visiting their dedicated team registration page. This valuable resource can be accessed with a simple click on the link provided in the description. As you delve into this page, you will discover comprehensive information regarding the hourly compensation typically offered for content moderation roles. This compensation generally ranges from $10 to $20 per hour, reflecting the value placed on the crucial role content moderators play in ensuring online spaces are respectful and safe. To commence your application journey, navigate to the middle of the page where you will find the inviting Apply Today button. A simple click on this button will set you on your way towards joining the Mod Squad team and embarking on a fulfilling content moderation journey. Shifting our focus to the next website, textroyal.com emerges as a platform that opens doors to earning opportunities by putting your trusty keyboard to work in the realm of freelance writing. The spectrum of writing tasks awaiting you on this platform is impressively diverse. It spans from creating engaging website articles to crafting persuasive social media posts, from composing thoughtful essays to diving into intricate world of researching and writing research papers. Accessing the TextRoyal website is as straightforward as typing textroyal.com into your browser's address bar. While navigating to the precise page to apply as a writer on TextRoyal may pose a minor challenge. The website compensates with a wealth of essential information. Writers on TextRoyal are rewarded for each word they diligently craft, with the potential for earnings soaring to heights of up to 30 cents per word. An exciting aspect of TextRoyal is the possibility of qualifying for higher-paying projects, a feat achieved by consistently delivering work of impeccable quality. Our next avenue to explore is LifePoints, a platform that beckons you to earn money by completing a variety of tasks. With the convenience of the LifePoints app, you can embark on this earning journey anytime and anywhere, thanks to the compatibility with both Android and iPhone smartphones. The app has garnered an impressive 1 million downloads on the Google Play Store, a testament to its popularity, and boasts a commendable 4.4-star rating. Notably, it offers multiple options for withdrawing your hard-earned earnings, including the trusted PayPal and coveted Amazon gift cards. Initiating your journey with LifePoints is a breeze. Just a simple click on the Join Now button sets the wheels in motion, guiding you through a user-friendly registration process.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Moving forward, let's delve into the world of online earning opportunities, starting with Axion Data, a platform accessible at axiondata.com, specializing in data entry roles. Axion Data plays a pivotal role in providing data entry services to various companies, and here's your chance to become an independent contractor, utilizing your keyboard for data input. To embark on this journey, head over to the employment section on Axion Data's website, which you can access by visiting their site. As an independent contractor, the beauty lies in your autonomy. You get to determine your work hours. Furthermore, you will be rewarded with a predetermined payment for each document or submission you successfully completed. The faster and more efficiently you work, the higher your potential earnings become. Now, let's pivot to another promising opportunity, wingassistant.com. Here, you can step into the shoes of a virtual assistant, offering your skills and expertise to a variety of businesses in need for virtual support. Wing Assistant acts as an intermediary, seamlessly connecting you with businesses seeking your assistance. As a virtual assistant, your responsibilities extend beyond just writing emails or content. You might find yourself engaged in tasks as diverse as vacation planning or handling phone calls. Businesses looking for virtual support typically pays fees ranging from $500 all the way to $1,000 per month, contingent on the level of service required. Your earnings, whether you choose to work part-time or go full-time, will fall within this range based on the tasks you undertake. To embark on this journey as a virtual assistant, simply click on the link provided and follow the website's user-friendly instructions. Last but not the least, we introduce you to MyPoints, a platform akin to LifePoints. MyPoints offers an intriguing proposition. You can accrue points by responding to questions and participating in surveys, which can later be exchanged for enticing rewards. While a mobile app is available for your convenience, opting to use a website often provides a smoother user experience. The process of signing up for MyPoints is straightforward. Upon registration, you will be entitled to a generous $5 sign-up bonus. To claim this bonus, all you need to do is provide your email address and set a password. Moreover, you have the freedom to choose how you'd like to receive this bonus, with two appealing options currently on the table: an Amazon gift card or a Visa gift card. Once you've completed the sign-up process, the stage is set for you to commence earning through a variety of activities, including online shopping, survey participation, or even engaging in some enjoyable gaming. As your points accumulate, you can easily convert them into more gift cards, expanding your possibilities for earning. We have meticulously curated a selection of websites, each offering its own distinctive avenue to generate income online. By exploring these platforms concurrently, you'll be positioned to potentially amplify your earnings and diversify your income streams, ultimately taking a significant step towards financial empowerment. As we wrap up our exploration of these diverse online earning opportunities, remember that each platform offers its unique path to generating income. By strategically exploring these platforms in tandem, you can maximize your earning potential and establish a diverse portfolio of income streams, making significant strides toward financial empowerment.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.